Welcome to Big Shakti's Find Life Purpose online course. This course was co-created by Jane Stevenson and myself, Dr. Swami Shankardev Saraswati, as part of Big Shakti's mission to make yoga, meditation, and authentic wisdom sciences available globally through online learning. The Find Life Purpose online course will show you how to examine and deal with your desires so that you can find and achieve your purpose. Through the enlightening knowledge of Indian philosophy, powerful meditation techniques, and integration exercises, you'll gain a new depth of understanding about yourself and your purpose that you've never experienced before. This course is a journey into your heart, into your true self. It's the place where your spirit and your purpose reside. This journey into your heart enables you to study your nature and your desires, to become more aware of your desires, and in the process to discover your purpose. You'll also learn how to align your purpose with your Dharma, the essence of who you are. Dharma is a Sanskrit word that means harmonious and virtuous purpose. It's the foundation of a good life. Knowing your Dharma, knowing your essence, your virtuous purpose, enables you to do what you're born to do, and to have a prosperous and happy life that supports you and all beings. When you know your Dharma, you're in tune with the essence of who you are. So just starting on this journey and gaining this knowledge has a positive, transforming effect on you. Along the way, you'll discover how even a small purpose can bring meaning, joy, and fulfilment to your life. The course consists of 9 lessons. Each lesson has a number of topics within it. These 9 lessons are divided into 4 main sections, and each section consists of 2 or 3 lessons that are allied with each other. Section 1 consists of 2 lessons. In Lesson 1, you learn how to understand what purpose is, and you learn about the 3 different types of purpose. Now, knowing these different types can save you a lot of anxiety and confusion about what might seem like conflicting or competing directions and goals in your life, when in fact they can all be synergistic and supporting of each other. In Lesson 2, you learn how to spiritualize purpose. That is, how to make your purpose more conscious and more in tune with your Dharma. And this applies even if your goal seems to be very materialistic. For example, if you want to make a lot of money, this can be converted into something that's spiritual and dharmic once you know how. The second section includes lessons 3 and 4. Lesson 3 teaches you how to use the powerful relaxation meditation technique Yoga Nidra to connect with your subconscious mind, which is the most powerful part of your mind. Most people think of Yoga Nidra as purely relaxation. However, it is much, much more than this, and once you know how to use it, it opens the doorway into your subconscious. Lesson 4 provides the training to forge a powerful sankalpa that can change your life. The sankalpa is a statement of intent that summarizes your purpose and empowers you to bring your purpose to fruition. For the sankalpa to work, it has to harness your willpower, and it has to work even while you're asleep. And you'll learn how to do this once you do the course. If you've already attempted to create a resolve or a sankalpa, ask yourself, did you achieve it? Did I have a powerful sankalpa that came to fruition? This course provides a step-by-step process for creating a powerful sankalpa that works, and if you follow the guidance laid out in the course, you will see genuine changes and results. The third section includes lessons 5, 6, and 7, which teach you how to empower your purpose by linking it with the energy contained within your desires and your chakras. Every desire has its root in a chakra, and cognizing this adds another powerful dimension to forming a sankalpa that brings great fulfillment. And as you focus on your desire and on the chakra, your sankalpa takes on a complete new form, and a new internal intuitive sense arises within you. So Lesson 5 teaches you how to understand desire as the prime motivating power of the mind and how to use this power. Lesson 6 shows you how to examine all of your desires within the context of the 4 stages of life, and of course this will enable you to make more age-appropriate choices that lead to happiness and long-term fulfillment. In Lesson 7, you link your desires and purpose with your chakras and higher consciousness, and you'll see how different desires arise from different chakras. By focusing on each chakra, you empower the desire that is linked with it and empower the sankalpa. The 4th section includes Lessons 8 and 9, and these lessons integrate the knowledge and the meditation techniques from all the previous lessons into one powerful master sankalpa and one powerful master meditation practice. By now, you're knowledgeable and skilled enough to perform this practice and gain authentic experience. This master meditation technique combines your sankalpa with chakra meditations, especially using the third eye of inner vision, which enables you to see your purpose and, more importantly, to foresee the karma and the consequences of bringing this purpose into your life. By the time you finish this course, you'll have gained all the knowledge and the skills you require to actualize your purpose, and you'll discover that your life and your purpose are in your own hands, and that you have the ability to make wise choices that will lead you towards a deeper, more lasting happiness and fulfillment.